I should, yeah. I'm trying to focus on not dying right now.
You're fine. We get where we're going.
Yeah.
After you go back and forth, you'll be done. That's the end of your trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. I'll finish.
And again.
As long as it doesn't go toward the van, it's all right.
Yeah.
I know, I'm not doing
They
that.
pulled the van.
I know, brother.
Look how far it pulled the van over.
Oh my god. Sorry. Oh, here it comes. Honestly, this is the first time this has happened.
Huh?
I said this is the first time this has happened.
This is the first time?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking great.
I just joking. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing.
That's all you had to say. I will get off right now.
Alright, everyone get on the rope there. Keep it in the full setup there. It's gonna be cool. Let it come back the other way, then I'll go for it.